Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use layers in Adobe Fresco. Layer mask control the visibility of layers without editing the layer itself. Depending on the kind of effect you want to achieve, you can use either a layer mask or a clipping mask. Layer mask controls the visibility of layers to which it is applied. Clipping mask allows you to create a mask by clipping one or more layers to another layer or layer group below. To create a layer mask, select the layer for which you want to apply the mask. Tap the More Actions or three dots icon on the taskbar and choose Create Empty Mask. Use the Reveal and Hide action on the mask action bar as you paint on the mask to control the visibility of your drawing on the layer. To define the area to mask, use the selection tool to define areas that you want to mask. Use the erase action on the selection action bar to mask those areas. To use a clipping mask, create the object you want to use as the mask. You can use two or more layers as the mask. Create a new layer or paint on an object whose color or texture will fill into the first layer. Clip the two layers by tapping on Clipping Mask icon. For example, in this video, the first layer, a cutout portrait sketching flower, is use a clipping mask and the color for texture layer in the upper layer. When you select the two layers and then tap in the right pane, you get the color for texture within the cutout portrait of a flower. Tips and tricks. When a layer mask is added, a small black dot appears on the left side of the layer mask thumbnails to indicate that a layer mask is associated with that layer. You can swipe between the layer and the layer mask to see how your mask edits are impacting the layer. If you want to switch from the layer mask to the layer, swipe right on the layer mask thumbnail. This makes the layer, rather than the layer mask, active so you can edit your drawing. The layer thumbnail becomes visible and active. The small black dot appears to the right of the thumbnail. By default, a layer and its mask are linked. You can unlink them if you want to resize or move the layer mask. You can reveal the hidden parts and hide the visible parts in one action by using the invert mask action. You have more than one ways of masking. Either apply a mask to the entire layer or using the lasso. Using the lasso tool, select and then create a mask from the selection. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.